The world of aerial cinematography is currently witnessing one of its most electrifying periods of change. And right at the core of this seismic technological shift is the relentless march of first-person view, or FPV flight technology. For what seemed like an eternity, the high-octane FPV scene was dominated by those intricate custom-built, or sinuop-style drones, the kind that gave pilots breathtaking, unparalleled agility, but often demanded tedious, complex assembly, precarious action camera mounting, and frankly, a steeper learning curve than a sheer cliff face. Then came DJI, disrupting the entire ecosystem with the launch of the original Avata series, successfully packaging that raw, immersive thrill of FPV into a user-friendly, ready-to-fly device that anyone could pick up. Subscribe for more informative videos. As I work hard to gather useful information for you, in return you just hit the bell icon button naturally. Now, however, the conversation isn't just about a simple evolution, like the expected DJI Avata 3. Instead, the focus is pivoted entirely to what is shaping up to be a brand new category-defining machine, the highly anticipated DJI Avata 360. This isn't merely an incremental update. The Avata 360 represents a fundamental re-engineering of the FPV concept itself, manifesting as a hybrid machine explicitly engineered to fuse the adrenaline-pumping, unrestricted control of traditional FPV with the indispensable professional post-production flexibility afforded by a 360-degree spherical camera system. This convergence finally solves a significant point of friction for serious content creators, who previously were forced to choose between the pure performance of an FPV drone and the boundless creative potential of 360-degree reframing in post-production. This comprehensive breakdown, curated specifically for you, the savvy technology enthusiast, dives deep into the most credible leaks, official FCC filings, and the buzzing industry chatter surrounding the Avata 360, meticulously dissecting its core specifications, groundbreaking rumored features, and its expected market positioning, contrasting against the very landscape it is poised to dominate. The very name and concept of the Avata 360 are far more significant than a simple version number. Initially, the heated debate centered on whether DJI would deliver an Avata 3 with its 360 variant, but the overwhelming consensus, backed by authoritative leakers and regulatory FCC documents, points strongly to the latter. This nomenclature, Avata 360, is critical because it clearly telegraphs DJI's strategic intent. It signals that the primary innovation is not just general performance enhancements, though those are certainly present, but the revolutionary integration of a spherical capture system. It positions the drone as a direct competitor to new 360-first entrants, effectively establishing a completely fresh product category that seamlessly marries the protective, compact sinuhook form factor with all-encompassing spherical video capture. The core design philosophy is clearly centered on a hybrid operational approach, with the drone rumored to feature an advanced dual-lens camera system and a novel, potentially rotating gimbal mechanism. This highly sophisticated setup would, in theory, empower the pilot to effortlessly switch between two distinct flight and capture modes: a traditional, forward-facing wide-angle FPV mode optimized for a high-speed, dynamic acrobatic flight, and a full spherical 360-degree video capture mode. This dual functionality is unquestionably the Avata 360's defining feature, essentially giving cinematographers two highly specialized tools in one compact, integrated platform. Perhaps the most compelling aspect of the Avata 360's leaked specifications is a monumental upgrade to its imaging capabilities, moving far beyond the 4K limitations of its predecessors and rivals. Multiple sources strongly indicate that the drone will be capable of stunning 8K 360-degree video capture. This massive leap in resolution is not just a marketing number. It is absolutely critical for the 360-degree format, where the final output relies on substantial cropping and reframing within the spherical image. An 8K original file provides a vastly superior pixel density, guaranteeing that any reframed standard video or 4K excerpt maintains professional-grade sharpness and detail, a non-negotiable requirement for any high-end cinematic or social media content. The specific sensor configuration is reported to include dual $1/1.1 $text-inch $CMOS sensors, representing a significant physical size increase over the Avata 2's $1/1.3 $text-inch sensor. This larger sensor is a literal engine behind the promised improved low-light performance, enhanced dynamic range, and superior overall image quality necessary to successfully support 8K resolution across a full sphere. Beyond resolution, the Avata 360 is expected to offer a variety of high frame rate options for both its standard and 360-degree modes. Leaks suggest the standard FPV camera will retain or even exceed the existing $4 K dollar at $120 frames per second capability, which is essential for butter-smooth slow motion footage in high-action scenarios. The 360-degree mode is also anticipated to support high-speed capture, likely offering the ability to record $5.7 K dollar at $60 frames per second in its spherical format, providing critical flexibility for post-production stabilization and reframing. The inclusion of the latest professional color profiles, such as D-Log-M or Cinelike, complete with an increased bitrate, solidifies its professional standing. The DJI Avata 360 is entering a newly defined, competitive market, one that sees it vying not just with other FPV drones, but with dedicated 360-degree action cameras and the custom DIY signal hook setups that often strap those cameras on. Its most immediate rival is clearly the Insta360 Anti-Gravity A1, a product that also aims to fuse 360 capture with drone flight. The key difference, however, lies in the reported approach. The Anti-Gravity A1 uses fixed dual lenses for pure 360 capture, whereas the Avata 360's rumored rotating camera mechanism offers a true hybrid experience, allowing the pilot to switch between an optimized FPV camera and the 360 module. This operational flexibility is a significant competitive edge for the Avata 360, making it a far more versatile tool for a wider range of cinematographers. Pricing for this level of groundbreaking technology is, predictably, set at a premium. Leaked distributor SKUs and industry speculation place the price for the Avata 360 Fly More combo, including the drone, goggles 3X, and controller, in the estimated range of $1, $199 to $1, $399. This price point positions it firmly above the Avata 2, appropriately reflecting the immense value of the new 8K 360-degree imaging system and the advanced O4 Plus transmission protocol. The premium reflects its true status as a professional creator tool explicitly designed to simplify complex workflows, offering a single, integrated, and supremely reliable system for high-resolution FPV and spherical video production. The combination of an integrated, highly stable 360 camera, FPV agility, and a rock-solid end-to-end DJI ecosystem makes the Avata 360 a truly transformative product, poised to become the definitive cinematic FPV drone for content creators in the next cycle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.